Hello everyone, welcome back to From Pond to Profit, your trusted guide to smart fish farming in Nigeria. Today we'll be talking about how to maintain clean, oxygen-rich water in your fish pond, one of the most important parts of successful fish farming. In fish farming, water quality is everything. Your fish depend on clean, well-oxygenated water to eat, breathe, and grow properly. Here are 5 simple but powerful tips to maintain clean, oxygenated, rich water in your pond. Number 1. Avoid overfeeding. Leftover feed decays and reduces oxygen levels. Feed just what your fish can finish in 5 to 10 minutes. Number 2. Regularly change parts of your water. Don't change all the water at once. Replace about 1/3 every week to keep it refreshed and stable. Number 3. Use water plants wisely. Aquatic plants like water lettuce can absorb water waste and improve water quality, but don't let them cover the whole pond. The 4th one, maintain proper aeration. If possible, use an aerator, fountain, or water pump to improve oxygen circulation, especially during hot weather. The 5th, the last one, monitor water color and smell. Clean water should be greenish and smell fresh. If it's dark or smells bad, it's time for a partial change. When your pond water is clean and well oxygenated, your fish grow faster, stay healthier, and you reduce mortality. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to From Pond to Profit for more weekly fish farming tips. Thank you.